Looking for Halloween treats ideas that are spooky, fun, and super easy to make? You're in the right place. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, preparing school snacks, or just craving something festive, I've got easy Halloween treats you can whip up in minutes. From creepy desserts to cute healthy snacks, these Halloween snack ideas are guaranteed to impress ghosts, goblins, and little monsters of all ages. So grab your apron and your sweet tooth, because we're about to make Halloween deliciously fun. Welcome to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy corner for festive inspiration and creative DIYs. In today's video, we're serving up Halloween treats ideas that are spooky, fun, and delicious. From ghost-shaped cupcakes and monster cookies to candy bark, pumpkin pops, and easy no-bake snacks, these treats are perfect for parties, kids, or a cozy Halloween night at home. So grab your apron and let's whip up some frightfully tasty fun this Halloween. Easy Halloween treats to make. Let's start with the basics. Easy Halloween treats to make with everyday ingredients. Grab a pack of sugar cookies, melt some white chocolate, and use candy eyes to turn them into ghost cookies. You can also drizzle orange candy melts on top for a pumpkin vibe. Another super simple idea, Monster Rice Krispies treats. Just dip them in colorful chocolate and add googly candy eyes. They're quick, messy in the best way, and perfect for kids to decorate. If you're short on time, even popcorn can go Halloween mode. Mix popcorn with pretzels, candy corn, and chocolate chips. Instant spooky snack mix. Easy Halloween dessert ideas. Now let's make desserts that look spooky but taste heavenly. Try baking simple chocolate cupcakes. Then top them with orange frosting and black sprinkles for festive Halloween cupcake ideas. You can even make little spiderweb designs using white icing and a toothpick. Or go creepy with tombstone brownies. Just add cookie gravestones on top of fudgy brownies with RIP written in frosting. For something adorable, make mummy pretzels. Dip pretzel rods in white chocolate, drizzle lines across, and add 2 candy eyes. Easy, tasty, and 100% Instagram worthy. These easy Halloween desserts are great for parties or family baking nights. Minimal effort, maximum fun. If you're loving these dessert ideas, hit that like button and share this video with your fellow Halloween foodies. Healthy Halloween treats. Now let's balance the sugar rush with some healthy Halloween treats that are still fun and festive. Turn apple slices into monster mouths using peanut butter and sunflower seeds for teeth. Add a strawberry tongue for a hilarious twist. Or make banana ghosts by cutting bananas in half and adding chocolate chip eyes and mouths. Simple, healthy, and so cute. For savory lovers, make pumpkin deviled eggs. Add paprika or orange food coloring to the filling and use chive stems for that pumpkin look. Non-candy Halloween treats. If you're preparing school snacks or classroom gifts, here are some non-candy Halloween treats that everyone will love. Try snack packs filled with pretzels, popcorn, or raisins. Decorate the bags with Halloween stickers or wrap them like little ghosts using tissue paper. Another easy option? Mini Play-Doh tubs or glow sticks. Add a tag that says, "You light up my Halloween." It's fun, safe, and sugar-free. These small touches make your classroom or trick-or-treat station stand out without the sugar overload. What's your favorite Halloween snack, sweet or salty? Let me know in the comments below. Halloween party snacks. Hosting a Halloween party? Let's talk about Halloween party snacks that look spooky but taste amazing. Start with a basic cheese board. Add olive eyeballs, rolled ham fingers, and crackers in pumpkin shapes. It's classy and creepy at the same time. Or make witch's broomsticks using pretzel sticks and string cheese. Slice the bottom of the cheese to look like broom bristles, tie with a chive, and you're done. You can even make bloody nachos, tortilla chips with salsa and sour cream spiderwebs on top, deliciously eerie. Halloween appetizer ideas. These next ones are perfect for guests who prefer savory over sweet. Try mummy mini pizzas. Spread sauce on English muffins, add olive eyes, and layer strips of mozzarella cheese to look like bandages. Or create spider deviled eggs using black olive pieces for the body and legs. They look realistic but taste amazing. Want something easy but impressive? Fill bell peppers carved like jack-o'-lanterns with dip or hummus. Perfect for a Halloween snack board. For even more party inspiration, check out the full Halloween playlist in the description. It's packed with fun decor and food ideas. Cute Halloween cupcake ideas. It's time to get creative with Halloween cupcake ideas. You can make ghost cupcakes by piping white frosting high and adding 2 candy eyes. For pumpkin cupcakes, use orange icing with green licorice stems. Want something spooky cute? Try monster cupcakes with colorful icing and candy eyes. Kids love them. For an elegant touch, use black velvet cupcakes with gold sprinkles. Classy, dark, and delicious. These cupcakes make the perfect centerpiece for any dessert table. Plus, they're super photogenic. If you love creative seasonal ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for weekly Halloween inspo. Easy Halloween desserts and DIY ideas. Now let's wrap it up with some no-bake, easy Halloween desserts anyone can make. Make pudding cups of dirt. Layer chocolate pudding, crushed Oreos, and add a gummy worm or two. It's gross looking and so good. Or make marshmallow Frankenstein pops. Dip marshmallows in green chocolate, draw faces with icing, and stick them on skewers. Finally, try bat brownies. Use sandwich cookies cut in half for wings and candy eyes on top. Kids go crazy for these. Halloween treats to make with family. Halloween is all about fun, and nothing's better than making treats together. Let kids dip strawberries in white chocolate to make mini ghosts, or assemble cookie sandwiches with orange frosting inside. These Halloween treats to make are not just about the food, they're about the memories. So turn up the spooky tunes, get messy, and have fun in the kitchen. Want more DIY food and party ideas? Check the description for our Halloween treats playlist, full of creative recipes you'll love. And there you have it, over 199 plus Halloween treats ideas that are easy, fun, and perfect for 2025. From healthy snacks to no-bake desserts, these ideas prove you don't need to be a chef to make something spooky and delicious. Which one will you try first? The ghost cupcakes, mummy pretzels, or fruit monsters? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more Halloween recipes, home decor, and creative DIYs every week. Thanks for watching, and have a frightfully fun Halloween! If you're loving these dessert ideas, hit like and share this video with your fellow Halloween foodies. What's your favorite Halloween snack? Sweet or salty? Tell me in the comments. Check the Halloween playlist in the description for more fun food and decor ideas. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly Halloween and seasonal inspo. See the description for more creative Halloween treat tutorials.